Yo. What is up, guys? Give me here with a different reaction. And today, guys, I don't know what I'm here with. Not yet, but I'm sure you're gonna see the thumbnail and click on it anyway. So, as you guys know, I'm doing some throwback reaction, some classic songs. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into the comment section that you guys commented on the last two video and pick one to go from, and that's how we're gonna do it. All right, so make sure you drop your comments of which song you want it. So let's go and pick a random comment. Let's go to this, and then so this is the Vybz Kartel song that we done, the Vybz Kartel reaction, and this is the Alkaline reaction. So let's go on the Alkaline reaction first, because that was the first one that we done. Okay, so this was my comment where I said which songs an artist next. And say Alka Church Folks, Alkaline, Microwave, Alkaline Ricochet, Massacre, Right Place, and Popcorn, El Chapo. El Chapo is not gonna be on there because that's quite a recent song for me. Right, Alkaline Obia, okay, it's a good one. The same song that started the thing, Vybz Kartel Robbery. All right, let's do Kartel Robbery, and then we can go back and do Obia on the same rhythm. So let's do this. Let's find the Kartel, the Robbery. All right, it's on Kartel Radio. All right, that's cool. 13 years ago, it was uploaded. So we're gonna jump on that one, yeah. All right, so while it's doing all that, so yeah, we're gonna do that one, yeah. And here, I'm here. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up your Zimmy. Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me. Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me. But yeah, let's get back to the video. What a go on, Vybz Kartel Robbery. Of course, I've heard this song before, because you know, say I teach that. So I have heard this song before, but it's only right to start off what started off this idea anyway, and big up the person who commented again. So let's go.
Vendetta, you know, Leone. See me a senna.
Wanna hear Vendetta in the first part? That was Vendetta somebody around Kartel anyway. Vendetta. This was before Alkaline Vendetta movement was out. So
Cell Block. Vendetta, you know, Leone. See me a senna. Cell Block. Them know if we never was in the business, we would still have hella. Yeah. See me a senna.
So the man say, yo, if they must say, yo, them know say if me never in the business, we would still have hell luck. So I'm tell you, say, yo, he'll be raising hell out there.
We never was in the business, we would still have hella. Yeah. See me a senna. I know. Don't take it personal.
Up to the time,
my friends.
The man said, don't take it personal. Member say, oh no, a friend, don't take it personal.
Yes, sir. I know.
I don't think any artist will take it personal, though.
My friends. Yeah.
All right.
This ain't serious.
Yeah.
This will make you delirious.
Of course, this is after the infamous Busta Rhymes. Big song. These are the same melody.
Alright. This ain't serious. Yeah. This will make you delirious. Yeah. If we didn't bust, every artist would afraid of us.
Again.
And this ain't serious. Yeah. This will make you delirious. If we didn't bust, every artist would afraid of us.
First pan the list, the one named Berry. Take the watch off and wrist out of Windham Terrace. Him try putting up resistance, but the sixpence. Ask him if him want meet Dennis.
Father Berry, speak of yourself. Anyway, you there, my elder. The man said the first on the list, and the one named Berry, that is Berry's a man. Take the watch off him wrist out of Windham Paris. Him try putting up resistance, but the sixpence. Ask him if he want meet Dennis. If he want meet Dennis Brown. If he want dead like Dennis Brown. boy, yo, Kartel, rap to that.
This will make you delirious if we didn't bust. Every artist would afraid of us.
Alright.
Post pan the list, the one named Berry. Take the watch off and wrist out of Windham Terrace. Him try putting up resistance, but the sixpence. Ask him if him want meet Dennis. They bling dog legs, tell him walk long him shoe. Him say, Kartel are you, if I know me, then I who?
Take bling dog legs. So basically, I tell him I take bling dog car. Make him walk down him shoes. And bling dog go see him and say, you Kartel are who? And I say, if I know me who? You know, say bling dog slang that. If I know me who?
Dennis, they bling dog legs, tell him walk long him shoe. Him say, Kartel are you, if I know me, then I who? Juke and Marshall Pan gun find interview. I say, you want live, him say, true.
You great Marshall Pangon point interview and say you want leave him say chill. You know that's one of Marshall slang from them time. Chill chill.
Follow me then a who? Juke and Marshall Pan gun find interview. I say you want live him say true. So me drive with the Mitsubishi, drive go over El Shot, lift it on a squeegee. Other two snap up with steamy. Guess who me sister no pre me no that in a Chris Lamborghini.
Claudine, I get right now, you know. So him say him drive with the Mitsubishi, but basically him take with them car and him gone over Elisha gone consume to sea creature. But guess who him sister no pray him?
Other two snap up with steamy. Guess who me sister no pray me? No that in a Chris Lamborghini. Pop off and say Rascal key me. Him say, oh God.
Pop off and say, Ras. No, pop off and say, that car key me. Him say, oh God. The man say, yo, give me your car key. Him say, oh God.
Free me, no that in a Chris Lamborghini. Pop off and say, Rascal key me.
Him say, oh God. Oh, Ras, not that. Ras. Obviously being a Ras. Rascal key me. Him say, oh God.
Me no that in a Chris Lamborghini. Pop off and say, Rascal key me. Him say, oh God. Me no response beanie. Valuables, give me when you see me. Chain with the platinum between it. Keep your rosy and bikini.
Remember them they know. Remember see up on the beach them they know. Violation them they know. Oh my God.
Valuables, give me when you see me. Chain with the platinum between it.
Valuables, give me when you see me. The chain with the platinum between it. But guess what? You can keep the brassiere and your bikini. Me no want that.
Oh God. Me no response beanie. Valuables, give me when you see me. Chain with the platinum between it. Keep your brassiere and bikini.
This ain't serious. This will make you delirious. If we didn't bust, every artist would afraid of us. And this ain't serious. This will make you delirious. If we didn't bust, every artist would afraid of us.
Take the broke shot when a shot a say my star. Take the 7 million, take the house, take the car. When me hold him, girl, take me cocky pushing a arm. Him say, Kartel, take it too far.
Yo, and an artist alone get robbed now. Movie star get robbed now. R.I.P. Teddy Broke shot. Teddy Broke shot when a shot a say my star. Yo, the man rob everything, brother. Any famous I get it.
Artists would afraid of us.
Take the broke shot when a shot a say my star. Take the 7 million, take the house, take the car. When me holding girl, take me cocky pushing a hard. Him say, Kartel, take it too far.
Take the house, take the car. When him hold take the girl, him taking cocky pushing a hard. Teddy say, yo, Kartel, take it too far, man. You take it too far, Biggs. You take it too far.
The house take the car. When me holding girl, take me cocky pushing a hard. Him say, Kartel, take it too far. Dan know say me we rob him for every money we have. Him produce me, still in devil trust me round the raft.
Dan I get robbed now. Producer I get robbed.
Dan know say me we rob him for every money we have. Him produce me, still in devil trust me round the raft. Hit her up, me younger take him weed from up a south. Come on you, little baby job.
Kid Curb. Big. Where Kid Curb there, guys? What is Kid Curb doing? Is he still releasing music? Kid Curb was bad in those times, you know, man.
Trust me round the raft, hit her up. Me younger take him weed from up a south. Come on you, little baby job. Then me use the inch check and take Ellie chain. Me say give me, him say yep. Me need the outlet over the crib. The angel pendant, watch your step and give me all your dough. Alright, take good to go.
The man take. Yo, I'm so much him take from Elephant.
Little baby job. Then me use the inch check and take Ellie chain. Me say give me, him say yep.
Me use the inch check and take Ellie chain. Him say give me, him say yep. Yep, good to go. Yep. Feet ya, Elephant Man speaking. Shizzle, Kartel, what you say? What you say you want? Take everything, Kartel.
Me need the anklet over the crib. The angel pendant, watch your step. And give me all you do.
Alright, you're good to go.
Rob Sizzler with a Glock. We solid as a rock. But me never know the bubble and him friend them shop. And when Dada go so pow, and Uzi go so pow. But they just can't stop me now.
Sizzler never go down without a fight. Sizzler not drop no catch without a fight. Yeah, he might try rap Sizzler, but him never know say Sizzler and the bubble them strap. So guess what? That friend them go so pow. Kartel go so pow. Cut.
And him friend them shop and when Dada go so pow, and Uzi go so pow. But they just can't stop me now.
This ain't serious. This will make you delirious. If we didn't bust, every artist would afraid of us.
Alright.
This ain't serious. This will make you delirious. If we didn't bust, every artist would afraid of us.
Murderer, blood is on your shoulder. Would you give me the money and report it tomorrow?
Bojo, give me the money. Don't report it now. Report it tomorrow when time me cut from the scene. Murderer, blood upon your shoulder. If you don't give me that money there, blood upon your shoulder.
Murderer, blood is on your shoulder. Would you give me the money and report it tomorrow? Take my cobra dropped up a South Barrow. Me make Frisco walk like him a disco.
Take Mad Cabra, dropped up. I'm saying take it.
Report it tomorrow. Take my cobra dropped up a South Barrow.
A South Barrow, and then him say he make Frisco.
Me make Frisco walk like him a disco.
Make Frisco walk like him a disco. Hey, start move, Frisco.
Report it tomorrow. Take my cobra dropped up a South Barrow. Me make Frisco walk like him a disco. Rob Roundhead without a gun, take him chain and run. Our 400-pound man fi try run me down.
Roundhead lose a lot of weight though. They gonna say Roundhead. Yo, him say him rob Roundhead without a gun. Him rob rounds without a gun. Rounds. I rob me and rob you, Zine. So just give me everything, Zine. You know, I rob you and I rob you right now, Zine. And, you know, when you try to run me down, remember you have 400 pounds, Zine. And there's right there. Big up yourself, rounds.
Rob Roundhead without a gun, take him chain and run. Our 400-pound man fi try run me down. But can you say without a man, him have no career. So me kidnap every girl, him have and carry them up a here. While I no
Bumbleclaw, the man done buck on your career. The man say without girl, him not have no career. So we Kartel though. Kartel say him kidnap every girl and carry them up a veer. Bumbleclaw, him.
can you say without a man, him have no career. So me kidnap every girl, him have and carry them up a here. While I'm not afraid of dread, but me have plot of head. Yeah, the boss, but give me the door before people there.
Warlord not afraid of dread, but him have plot up head. The Warlord not afraid of dread line come from. Bunty not afraid of a little dread boy. Don't lay the shaman say go away, dread boy, great boy. Yeah. That song there, him a reference to. So him a say, even though you're the boss, bro, still a rob you.
Them up of here, while I'm not afraid of dread, but me have plot of head. Yeah, the boss, but give me the door before people there. Give me the glasses and the black skull cap on your head. But as she yell out the money that this song on your head, that's it, you won't get.
She get style. She get style.
Text that car in my go well. Would a rob cassette ninja, but him things now sell. Swagger
Cassette ninja, them time the cassette ninja. Cassette ninja, your things them now sell?
Cassette won't get text that car in my go well. Would a rob cassette ninja, but him things now sell. Swagger links, assassin, is rubble. But now let's us time flapper sting.
Swagger Benz, an assassin get wrapped.
But as she yell out the money that this song on your well. Cassette won't get text that car in my go well. Would a rob cassette ninja, but him things now sell. Swagger links, assassin, is rubble. But now let's us time flapper sting. You see me? If
crazy. Now next us what?
things now sell. Swagger links, assassin, is rubble. But now let's us time flapper sting. You see me? If I never DJ a game, me got Irish FM go rap DJ Wayne. The real the Irish chain, take me the shiny chain.
Man tell me got derail the Irish chain. Yo, everybody get rap better. This jockey, movie star, producer, manager, artist, everything I get rap.
DJ game, me got Irish FM go rap DJ Wayne. The real the Irish chain, take me the shiny chain. Same thing fi call in from fame. Come in rap this jockeys when them lame.
This ain't serious.
Him rap them because them bad. Him say him no rap this jockeys when them lame. So him rap them this jockey because them bad.
Same thing fi call in from fame. Come in rap this jockeys when them lame.
This ain't serious. This will make you delirious. If we didn't bust, every artist would afraid of us. And this ain't serious. This will make you delirious. If we didn't bust, every artist would afraid of us. This ain't serious. This will make you delirious. If we
Didn't bust.
every artist would afraid of us.
Alright, so this is what is this the first Robbery song in dancehall? It's a good concept, it's a good idea. I wish more artists would do it in different ways. We see what's forward come with it and what's one sound bad as well. I like it. You see me? So big up yourself for us. Yo. Man said me have Sizzler with a Glock with solid as a rock. Yo, the play upon words the cartel use another one, yeah, bro. Yo, the play upon word where the teacher use another one, yeah, dog. Him creative, yeah, fuck. Can't deny that, bro. We can't deny that shit. We cannot deny that. Big up teacher, big up cartel. Yo! Apparently 50 Cent did a robbery song as well, right? No, obviously that's a hip hop thing. Me nah gonna do no hip hop reaction right now. 50 do a robbery song, but I don't know who did it first. Was it 50 or Cartel? You see me? But yeah, that concept of bad still. Big up Cartel. This was from the Up to the Time album. With 15 tracks up on the whole album itself. Up to the Time. Vybz Kartel Up to the Time. So I'm gonna go check out the album there. That was a classic album, yo. It was a very classic album and I enjoyed every song on it. But yeah, let me know in the comment section which song for react to next. Yeah? Yeah? Yo!